Guys, it's WV here at Prestige Worldwide. We've got a couple personal breaks here. We're going for Doc. He's got a couple boxes. We're going to start off with Leaf Trinity Baseball. Should be fun, that is. We're going to see if we can't pull him something of beauty. Chris Bryant would be nice for sure. Leaf Trinity Baseball. Got one hiding on the bottom here. Alright, as you can see, empty box, my friend. Let's get on to the hits. Start off here. We've got ourselves an Alex Jackson. Go Mariners. 19 of 25, Alex Jackson. Nice little hit there. 19 of 25. Coming up next, we've got ourselves a Clint Frazier. Oh, wow, here we go. Clint Frazier. I believe that's a Cleveland Indians. Let me grab a dummy card here. Back of something. Here we go. That's not a dummy. The one time you can't find a dummy, right? Clint Frazier. Not numbered. Still a nice card there. Clint Frazier auto acetate, like pure glass. We've got a nice two-color patch of Dylan Cease. Dylan Cease is not numbered. Gotta love some tribe action there. And that Clint Frazier. And we've got ourselves another pure acetate auto. This is numbered 17 of 25. It's Tria Turner. Tria Turner. And last but certainly not least, we've got ourselves a Grant Holmes, gold numbered 5 of 10 of the Los Angeles Dodgers, 2014 first round pick. A nice hit there for you, 5 of 10, Grant Holmes. Nice looking card. That completes our Leaf Trinity personal break for Doc. Not a bad box there. Let's get on to your other box as always. Appreciate it.